Hi guys, how are you doing today? I do hope this finds you well, and today I want to show you how you can change your YouTube channel name, which is here. And I'm doing this because when I began my channel, I really wanted to do tech stuff and especially Adobe related stuff, but with the time that has changed. If you are a constant visitor to my channel, you realize that I do a lot of random stuff. I do some recipes, I do sing sometimes, and just some random stuff on my channel. So I thought my previous channel name doesn't really capture what I'm doing, and hence the need to change the channel name. If you look at it, I've already changed it to my name, but I want to show you how you can do that. So let's go back to YouTube. Okay, so once you're on YouTube, you go to this section where on the right side where your channel picture is, click on that and then choose YouTube Studio. Okay, make sure you're connected to the internet to access this. Now once you do that, on this left side, scroll down to customization, and once you do that, you'll see the layout, the branding, and then the basic info. So click on basic info, and then here click edit channel name, and you can be able to change to what you want it to be. And once you're done, just publish. I'm not going to change because I already changed that, and YouTube restricts up to 3, I guess. You can only change your channel name 3 times. So yeah, that is it. So once you're done, click on publish. You can view your channel before you publish what you want and make sure you're satisfied with everything. And another thing, you remember to change your channel description, because you're changing your name and maybe the content you'll be uploading to your channel. So remember to change your channel description so that it gives your visitor or somebody visiting your channel the right description of what to look for in the content that you create, so that you don't mislead your viewers. And once you're done, publish, and that is it. Thank you for watching, and I do hope to see you in my next videos.